All right, so now that you've chosen your niche, it's time to actually build your store. So in this lesson, we're going to walk through how to set up your e-commerce website step by step, even if you've never done anything like this before. First, you'll learn how to choose the right platform like Shopify, which will act as the foundation of your store. It's very important to pick something reliable and beginner friendly with all the tools you'll need to grow. And in case you preferred the Shopify platform, you'll see in the next lesson that I've created resources for you to make your first Shopify store step by step as well. But in this lesson, we'll cover how to also customize your website so it feels professional, aligns with your brand, and appeals to your audience. We'll also walk through how to source your products, connect with suppliers, and get those items ready for sale without needing to hold inventory. Once your products are in place, you'll learn how to set up payment options and shipping methods so that your customers can buy with confidence. And finally, we'll go over some beginner SEO and user experience tips. Just little changes that can make a big impact in bringing traffic to your site and making sure people actually enjoy shopping on it. And by the end, you'll have the tools and knowledge to launch a functional, professional looking dropshipping store that's ready to start making sales.